So guys, welcome back to the channel. So you may remember me doing a review on the Erbuaer multi-tool, the EMT300 QC to be exact, and got quite a lot of response from that video. So here's an update from what I'm using it. Now I use this tool almost every day on the job, so you can imagine the amount of use it gets while I'm using it on the job. I use it for all kinds of different things, whether I'm tiling, whether I'm doing a bit of joinery, or whether I'm just doing a bit of sanding as well, because it comes in quite handy for doing a variety of jobs. So I've got it here with me now. I've just bought an attachment for it for doing a job that I'm on now. So this attachment here is for removing the tile grout and cement off tiles and things. So it's got like a it's like a sander, I suppose, but it's also serrated around the edges so you can get it kind of into the grout. So I'm going to show you what I'm using it for at the moment. So we'll get into that now. I've got it on quite a low speed as well. It's on number 2 and it seems to be working quite well. So I'm just going to show you what I've been doing with it. Let's pop that down there for a minute. So these are the tiles in question. Now I was asked to re-grout them, and I did suggest just sanding these black marks off, because it literally is just on the surface is that. And if anybody knows anything about re-grouting tiles, it does take some getting out of these, especially. You can see there it's all gone like a stainy yellowy browny colour all the way along, and this is a bit I've started already with the multi-tool. So you can see it comes back to life. So basically, so yeah, there we go. We're also coming down these as well, so I'll be using it like that, just coming down, like I say, using the point of it just to get into the nooks and the crannies of it. But yeah, quite a good tool there. So there we go, another quick review of the Erbuaer multi-tool. Like I said, I've done a review on this before when I first bought it, the unboxing video. I was on a job then. That was roughly about 6 months ago, so we're still using it, like I said, every day. Only thing I am a little bit disappointed with is the little LED lights on the front. They're not very bright. I do have a couple of DeWalt drills that have LED lights on and a lot brighter than them, but they do show up a bit more when it's really dark, so it's not too bad, but it just would help if they put some brighter LEDs in. But other than that, it's been a great tool and it's still working. I'm really enjoying using it, and it's saving me a lot of time on jobs and that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick update of the video. Hope to catch you in another video soon. Thanks for watching.